Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is just a little bit of chit chat. Okay, as some of you know, I've been without a car for a week now. Over a week. And so I was giving the man time to work on my car without me calling and bugging him to death. So they got the car, I think it was last Wednesday, and I called them yesterday, which was Thursday. And the dude was telling me that they had to search all over for a muffler that'll fit my car, and there's none in the state, and there's one in Michigan, and we may be able to get it the middle of August. I snapped. I said, why y'all just start looking? Okay. And Walter was in the room. He come running out the room because my voice got kind of loud, kind of. And he said, he tried to calm me down. The man tried to calm me down. Ma'am, we've been looking, but it's been taken, we just can't find it. So I'm just delivering you the news. I said, okay, well, I need something to run around in. Now, I had previously asked them if they can give me a loaner car while they had my car. And it was no. One of my honeys suggested it, and I hadn't thought of it. I think her name was Lisa. But anyway, they told me no, so there's nothing I can do. So yesterday, I was livid. Be without my car until the middle of August? No, that's unacceptable. So I asked him about a loaner, and he said he'll see what he can do. So he called me back maybe 20 minutes later and said, I got the keys to a loaner for you. He said, I'm going to send somebody there to pick you up, so you need to bring your license, your proof of insurance, and a credit card. I said, I'm not being charged for this loaner, right? Oh, no, ma'am. We just need it just in case something happens to it and your insurance doesn't cover it. Okay, so I went. The dude came and picked me and Walter up, and I went, picked up my car, got me a nice Buick Envision. It's like a SUV, but it's smaller. I love it. I love it. So me and Walter went joyriding yesterday. Went joyriding. The car drives so nice. And I just love it. If I were to buy a car, I would buy one like this. But anyway, he was supposed to call me this morning and let me know how they were on getting the muffler to my car. So he didn't call, and I don't care if he don't never call. I got this loaner. It's better than my car. It's better. Even though it has the name of the dealership on both sides of it. I don't care, it drives. It's nice. Well, let me see what else I got. I might as well include a haul in this. Okay. This is something I had ordered, I think 2 months ago. This is a makeup apron. Look at this. You know, when you put on makeup, sometimes the makeup don't cooperate and stuff sips onto your nice clothes as if you're getting ready for church. And sometimes the lid of your eyebrow pencil may break off, or your eyeshadow may sift, or you may drop the whole mascara wand and it fall on your clothes. I got an apron to use while I'm putting on my makeup, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And I had looked at Lynette Longmire's channel. She had got one first. That was over 2 months ago. And I had looked on Amazon, and it was going to take too long for them to deliver it, so I ordered from Walmart.com. It's just not getting here today. And I had emailed them, I think 2 weeks ago, and told them, don't send it, I don't want it anymore. Do not charge me for it. But it's here, and I like it, and I'm still hoping they don't charge me for it, because it took too long. But it's beautiful, and it's nice. It's like an oilcloth fabric, so if you spill something on it, it's not going to go through the fabric. So it's nice. Now I need me a makeup rug where I sit. My chair right there, I need a rug for all the whatever that falls to the carpet. I need the rug to catch it, so it don't mess up the carpet. Anyway, like I said, Lynette Longmire, she got this first. She always buying stuff and then showing it, and then I got to get it too. Okay, I love it. Okay, something else I bought. Okay, I bought this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's a concealer, under the eye concealer. So I liked the first one so well that I bought 2 more. I ordered these from Amazon. And I used the color tan. I had first got a color that was light, because I was thinking the stuff had to be very light. I look crazy. So I got something just a little bit lighter than my foundation color, and it works, and I like it. Something else along the makeup line is, I don't even have the packaging for this. Well, anyway, it's the eyeliner stamp. I got 2 in the package, one for the right eye, one for the left eye, and it's marked on here. So it's a stamp that will give you that wing, because I'm always messing up. Shaped like this. Put it right here and stamp it. And then the other end is nice liner. It's very nice. Very nice. So I got one for the left eye also, because the stamps are shaped specifically for each eye. That's how it looks. Okay, I like it a lot. There's a liner on that one too, and it's called Doe Color, waterproof wing stamp eyeliner, Doe Color. Okay, like it. And something else. Oh, these past 3 days, I've been looking at this professional makeup artist. She had like a mini seminar on Instagram, and I attended all 3 days. Was watching her, and I got a lot of tips, eyebrow tips, and how to put on eyeshadow and makeup tips. And I was especially impressed with how to do your eyebrows. So I'll be sharing that with you all at some point. Once I perfected what she told me, then I'll be sharing it with you all. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me or get cute with me video. Okay, so is that it? Yes. No, it ain't. Okay, I got something else. Y'all know when you see me air frying, I have that rolling countertop tray up under my air fryer, and people always ask about it. So I found something else to go up under another air fryer that I got. It's called Glide Mats. Okay, I got this from Amazon. It's 3-pack. So it comes in 3 sizes. But I was mainly interested in the larger size. So this is what it looks like. It's rubberized on one side and it's silk-like fabric on this side. It's like a giant mouse pad. Okay? So you put the appliance on here. Your mixer, your coffee maker, your air fryer, your air fryer oven, toaster oven. So like I said, the appliance goes on the black side. And then you can slide this all over the counter if you want to. So these are some of the appliances. She got her vacuum sealer on here. These are some of the appliances that are sitting on it. Toaster. So you can slide it out to the edge of the counter, away from up under the cabinet. So I like it a lot. I haven't used it yet, so I'm sure it will work. So that's the extent of my chit chat and my haul. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. What can I hold up? Show y'all. I'll show y'all this apron. It's a thumbnail. It's cute. Got all kind of makeup on it. Makeup brushes and fingernail polish and lipstick and perfume and stuff. Super cute. Okay. Bye for real now.